Hey, how's it going everybody? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add background music to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first what you gotta do is you have to open Google and type YouTube Audio Library and you'll come on this page. And as you can see you'll find loads of free songs. As you can see there are a lot of. These are all non-copyrighted songs and these are free to use in your videos, and there is a copyrighted section where you have to ask the permissions. So once you have downloaded any song, I already have two. I'm gonna use Pacific Coast In, and then next what you gotta do is I'll create a project in Adobe Premiere Pro for background music. You can even find sound effects in audio library, as you can see. This can be used for like your intros and outros. That's all I mean. So once Adobe Premiere Pro is loaded, first you have to import your video. I'm gonna import this clip, and then I'm gonna import the song. So first drag and drop your video, and then drag and drop your audio. Just split it and just delete the excess. Now you will hear that the background music takes over my voice in a second. You can hear my voice, but it's really low. So what you can do is just lower this down to about 30 decibels and max out your audio, so it'll sound something like this.
This is my synchronizing.
To make it even better, what you can do is just take take your audio transition and then fade this part. So as you can hear,
This is my
it fades in,
audio
and then what you can do
in
is
Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial.
now you hear this.
This is my synchron.
What I actually do is I'll just take the background music a little bit, like 8 or 10 seconds behind, like some bit in here. So do is something like this.
This is my synchronizing audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial.
Oops, just delete the transition. So it'll sound something like this.
This is my synchronizing audio and video in Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial.
So that's how it sounds. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video, and see you in the next video. Peace.